What's up, Disney fans? Wayne with Disney Trips here with Melissa. We're going to do some unboxing for you, and we're going to get these Disney Doorables opened up. If we have any repeat Disney Doorables, like, comment, subscribe on the video, and you'll be entered to win, and we'll send them out to you. So we're going to get started unboxing some Disney Doorables.
Well, I took the surprise out of it.
No, there's still surprises. I just made it easier to open.
Okay. Alright. Let's see what we got.
We got Golden Mickey.
Golden Mickey.
Heck yeah. Let's see here. Over the years, that's a bronze Mickey.
Oh, that's fun.
Bronze. So the bronze.
Okay, next one.
We got the Mouseketeer Mickey. What do we get there? All right, with that one we got the Band Leader Mickey. Knock it over. All right, let's see what else we got. That one, Technicolor Mickey. Heck yeah. Now he's on the floor. He's floor Mickey. There's the case. Come on. You and Ben. It's like to throw things to the floor.
Maybe the desk is too slick. Oh, we got Steamboat Mickey.
Oh, Steamboat Mickey. Steamboat Willie. Steamboat Willie. Alright. How many more we got? Two? Which one's that one? That one is Train Engineer Mickey.
Oh my goodness, they're so slick. We're back in.
What do we get? I like that one. That is Fantasia. That one was your Fantasia pop figure.
Last one.
Last one. Is it going to be Topiary, or is it going to be Tiki, or is it going to be a repeat?
It is Tiki.
Tiki!
Tiki, tiki, tiki.
Tiki, tiki, room. Alright guys, I appreciate it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll do this again tomorrow.